Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Putri Emilia Mega Azizur Rahman and we are from Analysis and Decision Making class. So could you please introduce yourself first?
Hi, Waalaikumsalam and a very good evening. My name is Sabrina Muhammad Rashid and I am Senior Lecturer in Universiti Utara Malaysia. Currently I'm attached to School of Multimedia Technology and Communication and my majoring is in advertising. So basically I'm teaching advertising currently.
Okay. So before we proceed, I would like to give you a hint about what we are doing right now. So basically, we are doing an assignment about ambience advertisement in Universiti Utara Malaysia. So we are going to make an ambience advertisement at SMMTC's lift. So here's are some questions. What is your opinion about our ambient advertisement, and why should we care about this matter?
Ambient advertisement in university, especially in faculties building, I think it's very important, and it's also something that I would encourage my students to do so. Why should we care about this? It's because we know that nowadays students are very attached to their handphone, looking down, not interacting much with others, and what more to look around what happened around them. So they also like my building also, like we have a lift there and all students will be using the lift. If you look at the traffic for a day, I think more than 300 students are using our lift on a daily basis. So if we look at this statistic and to have a PSA, a poster at the front door of the lift while the students are waiting for the lift, so at least they will be able to read what's on the door of the lift, and we hope that this might help or might expose our students to PSA, to whatever that you are going to educate them by using this platform.
So you agree with this ambient advertisement?
Yes, I do, and I would really encourage this.
So do you think, in your opinion, that this advertisement is going to work and will give students any encouragement in themselves?
Yes, I believe it will work and it will encourage our students if it is being done right way. You need to know what the students like, and you need to have a good design that can relate to the students immediately, and the design should be attractive enough, should scream for attention. If you can get that right, and you will also be able to, like I said earlier, you will also able to attract more students and expose them and make them learn and do what you're trying to campaign on, what you are campaigning on.
So how effectively the advertiser is able to communicate the message to consumers?
Even that you are there, if I am the advertiser itself, how do I communicate to my students? First, I would like to know what are the things that my student would love to look at, what will be the color, what will be, if I want to put a picture of a celebrity or somebody that the students look up to. So I would do that in order to communicate clearly to my students on what I want to tell them, or to my students is also my customers lah. If I want them to hop on to what I'm going to campaign.
Okay, last question. Where else do you think our ambience advertisement should be placed, or do you agree with our location?
Yes, I do agree with the location that is at the lift, and you can also use it also at the stairs beside the lift, and also at the corridor. If you look at the SMMTC lift area, there's a corridor there, and also at UKG where the students will be going off, and also at cafes. Actually, you can do it everywhere. But you need to know the traffic, where the students go most of the time, which corridor that they use the most. So take time and study on all this, then you will be able to find a better place. But I agree that you choose the leave, that is one of the best one. And not only the student, it could also be for the lecturers as well, for the other staff as well. And it will, maybe your target audience is student, but you never know, by using places like this, your target audience will just get wider and wider.
Okay, thank you for your time. Doctor, thank you so much.
Welcome.